To allow your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to automatically switch to a better Wi-Fi network while the screen is on, you have to enable the switch while screen is on option. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon, tap connection, next tap Wi-Fi, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap intelligent Wi-Fi, tap switch to better Wi-Fi network, and then tap the gray on off switch next to switch while screen is on until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will be allowed to automatically switch to a better network even when you are using your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.